Ever feel overwhelmed by the stresses of life? Ever tried meditation to help manage those stress levels? Welcome to the beginning of your journey towards tranquility and focus. Today we're going to introduce you to the world of meditation, a practice that has been around for centuries, helping people just like you find peace amidst the chaos. Meditation can seem daunting at first, but don't worry, you don't need any prior experience to get started. It's a tool that's accessible to everyone, and its benefits are numerous. Not only can it help reduce stress, but it can also increase your focus and productivity. In this video, we'll be exploring different meditation techniques, each one designed to guide you towards a more centered and mindful state of being. So whether you're a seasoned yogi or a complete newbie, there's something here for you. By the end of this video, you will have learned several simple yet effective meditation techniques that you can incorporate into your daily routine. First, it's important to understand what meditation actually is. At its core, meditation is a practice that helps us train our minds, much like physical exercise trains our bodies. It's not about switching off our thoughts or escaping from our daily reality. Rather, it's about becoming more aware of our thoughts, our feelings, and our surroundings. One of the foundational elements of meditation is the focus on breath. It's something so simple, yet so profound. Our breath is the bridge between our mind and our body, and by focusing on its rhythm, we can anchor ourselves in the present moment. Another significant aspect of meditation is the attempt to clear the mind of distractions. Now, this doesn't mean forcing our mind into silence. It's about noticing distractions without judgment and gently guiding our focus back to our breath. And then there's the benefits of regular practice. Meditation is not a one-time solution, but a journey that unfolds over time. With regular practice, it can help reduce stress, improve focus, and foster a sense of inner peace. While there are many different forms of meditation, such as mindfulness, transcendental, loving kindness, and many others, today we'll focus on simple techniques suitable for beginners. These techniques are like stepping stones, guiding you on your path towards more advanced practices. So, remember, meditation is not about achieving a certain state or reaching a destination. It's about being here, now, fully present and aware. It's about cultivating a relationship with your own mind, understanding its patterns, and gently guiding it towards peace and clarity. Now that we have a basic understanding of what meditation is, we will delve into the actual techniques. The foundation of meditation lies in the breath. It's a simple statement, yet it encapsulates a profound truth. Our breath is the life force that sustains us. It's the rhythm that carries us through each passing moment, and in meditation, it serves as our anchor, grounding us in the immediacy of our experience. One of the first and perhaps most important skills to develop in your meditation practice is the ability to focus on your breath. This is not about controlling or manipulating the breath, but rather about observing it, about tuning into its natural ebb and flow. When we bring our attention to our breath, we are invited into the present moment. We step away from our thoughts, our worries, our plans, and we arrive here, in the now. This is where meditation happens. It's not a destination, but a journey, a continual returning to the breath, to the present. Now let's outline a basic breathing technique that's perfect for beginners. Start by finding a comfortable place to sit, somewhere you can be undisturbed for a few minutes. Close your eyes and take a moment to settle in. Begin by taking a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Hold this breath for a count of 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, and then release the breath slowly through your mouth. As you exhale, imagine any tension in your body melting away. Repeat this process, inhaling deeply, holding for a count of 3, and exhaling slowly. The magic of this technique lies not in the breath itself, but in the focus it requires. As you concentrate on your breath, you'll find your mind begins to quiet. Thoughts may still arise, but instead of getting caught up in them, you can simply acknowledge them and then return your focus to your breath. It's important to remember that this is a practice. Some days it might feel easy, other days it might feel challenging. But every time you return to your breath, you're strengthening your meditation practice. You're deepening your ability to be present. Mastering your breath is the first step in successful meditation. And remember, every breath you take is another opportunity to begin again. Another popular meditation technique is the body scan. This method invites us to tune into the body, to reconnect with our physical presence, and to notice any sensations, emotions, or thoughts that arise. It's about cultivating a heightened state of awareness and presence, a mindful attention to the body that can lead to profound relaxation and stress reduction. To begin a body scan, find a comfortable position where you can relax but remain alert. You might choose to lie down, sit, or even stand. The choice is yours. Close your eyes, take a few deep breaths, and start to focus your attention inward. Now imagine a warm, soothing light entering your body through the soles of your feet. This light is your focus, your tool for scanning the body. Allow it to move slowly up from your toes into your feet, noticing any sensations that arise. There's no need to judge or analyze these sensations, just notice them. From there, let your focus move up to your ankles, your calves, your knees. Notice any tension or relaxation, any warmth or coolness. Continue to move your focus up through your thighs, your hips, your abdomen. Pay attention to your chest, your back, your shoulders. Notice your arms, your hands, your fingers. Let this light travel up through your neck, your face, all the way to the top of your head. As it moves, it carries with it a sense of relaxation, releasing any tension it encounters. It's as if you're giving your body a gentle internal massage. Remember that there's no right or wrong way to do a body scan. It's not about achieving a certain state, but about noticing, about cultivating mindfulness and presence. If your mind wanders, that's okay. Just gently bring it back to the body, back to the present moment. The body scan is a journey, an exploration of the body from the inside out. It's a way to tune in and check in, to reconnect with the physical self. And with time and practice, you'll find that it becomes easier, that you begin to notice more subtle sensations, and that you carry this heightened awareness into your everyday life. With practice, the body scan technique can be a powerful tool for relaxation. Mindfulness is another key aspect of meditation. Picture this. You're in the midst of a bustling city, horns honking, people rushing by, a cacophony of sounds and sights. But amidst all the chaos, you're calm, at peace, fully present in the moment. That's the power of mindfulness. It's about embracing the here and now, without judgment, without resistance. Mindfulness is like a soft glowing light that illuminates your thoughts, feelings, and sensations, allowing you to observe them without getting swept away. It's about recognizing that each moment is unique, fleeting, never to be experienced again. It's about cherishing the present because that's all we truly have. But how do you practice mindfulness? It's simpler than you might think. Start by finding a quiet space where you can be alone with your thoughts. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. As you breathe in, focus on the sensation of the air filling your lungs. As you breathe out, feel the release, the sense of letting go. Gradually expand your awareness to your body. Notice the weight of your body against the chair or the floor. Feel the air against your skin, the rhythm of your heartbeat. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring it back to the present. Remember, this is a practice of non-judgment. There's no right or wrong way to experience the present moment. Mindfulness isn't just about reducing stress and anxiety, although it's excellent for that. It's about cultivating a deeper connection with yourself and the world around you. It nurtures a sense of curiosity and wonder, a reverence for the simple moments of life. It sharpens your focus, boosts your creativity, and enhances your emotional resilience. And the best part? You can practice mindfulness anywhere, anytime, while you're washing dishes, commuting to work, even while you're eating. Every moment is an opportunity for mindfulness, an invitation to be fully present, fully alive. Incorporating mindfulness into your meditation practice can greatly enhance its benefits. And remember, like any skill, mindfulness takes practice. But with time and patience, you'll find that it transforms not just your meditation, but your entire life. We've covered a lot today, so let's quickly summarize. We started by introducing the concept of meditation, a practice that helps us focus and relax by calming the mind and body. We emphasized the importance of breath in this process, serving as an anchor to the present moment, helping us stay grounded and alert. We then explored the basics of meditation, discussing how to find a comfortable posture, select an appropriate environment, and set an intention for the practice. Next, we dove into the body scan technique, a method that involves mentally scanning each part of the body to release tension and cultivate awareness. This was followed by the mindfulness technique, where we learn to observe our thoughts and feelings without judgment, fostering a sense of peace and tranquility. Remember, The key to successful meditation is consistency, so try to incorporate these techniques into your daily routine. Happy meditating!